Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the use of enough in the English language. How to use enough in a sentence, let us learn in this session very clearly. Enough means the right amount. Enough means the right amount. Not enough means less than the right amount. Enough means the right amount. Not enough means less than the right amount. Enough means sufficient or adequate. Adequate amounts means sufficient amount. Enough means sufficient or adequate. Generally, we use enough after an adjective or an adverb, but comes before the noun. We can use enough after an adverb or adjective, and it comes before the noun also sometimes. Not sometimes, all the times. If you can observe very keenly, enough goes after an adjective or an adverb and comes before the noun. That is the point that we have to remember regarding enough. Now here we have some examples. Let us take these examples in order to understand the use of enough effectively in this session. Okay? He is clever. He can solve this problem. He is clever. He can solve this problem. These are two events. These two events are to be joined by using enough. Generally, we use enough after an adverb or an adjective and before the noun. Before a noun also it can be used. He is clever. He can solve this problem. These are two events. Let us join these two by using enough. Here, if you take the first event from the first example, he is clever. Here, clever is an adjective. Clever is an adjective. He can solve this problem. This is another sentence. Already I have told you, enough goes after an adjective. Then how to say the answer? By joining these two events. He is clever enough to solve this problem. In such a way, by using enough with to, we can say the answer. The fruit is tasteful. This is one sentence. We can eat it. This is another sentence. Let us join these two sentences by using enough. Here, the fruit is tasteful. Here, tasteful is an adjective. We can eat it. This is another sentence. Now, let us join these two sentences by using enough. Here, tasteful is adjective, so that here enough goes after an adjective. The fruit is tasteful enough to eat. Answer is wow. Here the fruit is nothing but eat. So that the fruit is nothing but eat, I eat. Okay. So that it cannot be repeated. You should not repeat I eat again in the answer. The fruit is tasteful enough to eat. Answer is clear. Now let us go to third example. It is very nice. We can use it. It is very nice. Here very is an adverb. Nice is an adjective. Then we use enough after an adverb or an adjective. It is very nice. We can use it. It is nice enough to. It is nice enough to use. It is nice enough to use. In such a way, enough comes before a noun. Let us see some examples. I have enough clothes. I have enough clothes to put on. He has enough exercise to do today. They have enough food to serve. In such a way, enough can be used before a noun. Okay? I hope you have understood about the use of enough very clearly in this session. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.